Create the 3D mermaid. Guest artist Connie Kuglmeier sketches, and then uses the 3D Pro Plus pen to design her sculpture. Connie used a hairdryer to mold the plastic. She changes the nozzle tip to achieve the best result with the pen. The mermaid begins to take shape. With the flattening tip, she sculpts the wood filament to smooth the skin. She uses strands to form the arms. She achieves a wavy effect with the hair, gradually filling in the hair and adding detail to the face. Imagine